What's up, Fat Mom family? How you guys doing? Huh? I can hear you. Well, guess what? You don't see no food here. But I do have something. I do. I went to the Crafty Butcher here. And this is the bag that it came in. It came with two sides. It came with, ooh, it's all leaking, not loose. Ugh. Anyway, it came with some coleslaw. And they call it greens, but it's sautéed spinach. As well as I have like a barbecue sandwich, which I'll fix it all up, make it look all Friday and proper. And then this one here is called the Mississippi sandwich. And let's see if they gave me some utensils. Oh, they did that, huh? They gave me some napkins, and they gave me 2 forks. So I don't even need my own. So also too, I'll be drinking on some Simply lemonade. So without further ado, don't go nowhere. You come back. Welcome back. How you guys doing? Oh, don't cook. The food is already cooked. Slow down, girl. You're moving too fast. Yep, she's moving too fast. She's trying to overcook the food. So, I cut it off. This here is the Mississippi sandwich. It has some cheese, pulled pork, and some other stuff in there. Then this here is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the barbecue and a new place, just trying something out. Don't know how I'll like it, but we shall see. Let's taste together. I'm very, very, very picky about my coleslaw, so you guys tell me how it tastes first. You have the first bite. You got it? Thank you. It's not all that. Baby. I love spinach. I don't play with my spinach, but you know, just trying something out. I don't know. Let's see. Tastes like regular spinach, just sauteed with some garlic, red pepper flakes. That's it. But I just wanted to pop my head up in here to say hello. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Burning my fingers. Ay. Do you guys ever check the sandwich out to see where you want to bite it from? What side? I don't know. I'm weird. Sorry, guys. I didn't give you a piece. Oh, hot. Let me take it from the back. Got it? That's hot. That was the Mississippi. I should have ducked this spinach up a little bit. No salt, no pepper. I don't think there was none in the bag. It's just blah. So, anyway, I just wanted to hop up here just to say hello. See how you guys' work week is going. Is it good or bad, or are you off today, or at work? No, that's a great bite. Oh, that's a lot of bread. Woo. I am not a big fan of this coleslaw. I don't know. Can you tell me? Because I surely don't know. It's missing a whole lot of something. But I'm not a big fan. It smells like a hot dog. It smells like a hot dog or something. I don't know. Sorry guys about the interruption, but I'm back. I never left you guys. I never ever left you. But again, this is the Mississippi. I'm not even going to talk about the barbecue. It's heavy. And I think I need to stop eating all this bread right now and try to taste that one for you guys. But that one is good. I think like all layer, but it's good. But I'm nervous. Right, tasting this barbecue. Hot. Sorry guys for the noise. I'm trying to pick up this heavy, medium-sized baby. Uh-oh, feel like everything about to fall out. Look, I'm fighting with a sandwich. That means it's not meant to be ate. This is just something I wanted to try. I'm nervous. I taste jalapeno peppers. I taste the onions. I think these are red bell peppers. I'm not a fan. I won't be finishing that one. I cannot. So, weird. Let me wash that out my mouth because that's weird. I don't like that way. Gross. Who like that? Ooh, I had to clean. Take it back. I had to cleanse the palate from that. I know Harmony definitely would not eat that. On the other hand, about my oldest, I'm not sure. They like spicy stuff. It's spicy. We do, well, Harmony don't, but my oldest, she do eat spicy stuff. But that has a weird, excuse me, taste or texture. There's just something weird about it. And then it's so heavy. I can't. That's a no for me. So if you see that sandwich sitting right there, just know I didn't eat it. Just know that. That's not good. None of this is good. But guys, I have found this place I have found this place from Groupon. And Groupon suggested me, to try it or whatever the case may be. So, you know how it is with the Groupon stuff. So I wanted to give it a try because I don't want to always stick to the same routine, the same everything. I want to try to explore, if you will, with food. Because knowing me, I could stick to the same food and be happy. But then again, it do become boring and it makes me begin to not like food at all. So that's why I have to venture out and try different things. Whether it be just maybe if it's just something even if I do something like red pepper flake. Even if I do something like change up the seasonings to give something a new flavor, put another twist to it, I do that. Just add different things to change it up. So it won't be like the typical food, if you will. But I just wanted to hop up here and share my little meal with you guys because I heart you. Yeah, and I just wanted to try it. Yeah. I know I haven't been up here for a while, but I have a few videos that I have to edit. And the reason why I haven't, excuse me, uploaded because I'm trying a new software out. Sorry guys, that is Hercules. He must be seeing a cat or something or somebody walking by. So yeah, I have excuse me, red pepper flake. Yeah, all in my teeth. Anyway, so I have some new software that I'm trying to. Guys, back again. Sorry for the second time. People just loved me. Oh my gosh. Please tell me how you guys do that. Do you put like, I'm doing it off my phone, and eventually I'm gonna switch it from my phone and put my camera up I ordered some equipment and stuff like that that's supposed to be coming, but please bear with me. Please, please, please bear with me because, yeah, people just find the wrong time to want to like call you. And when you're not filming, nobody really calling. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. Anyway, so right, what I was saying is that I am trying to, okay, I'm waiting on some more equipment, of course, as well as I am trying to mess around with the software, trying to see how to work stuff, how to do stuff, even though everything is like saved in my phone, but I'll take like a video that I already have posted up here and just mess with it, just to see where it goes and how to do certain stuff and how to make my video better than it was. So that's where I'm at right about now. But this background that you see here, hopefully that will be changing. Hopefully that will be changing. So I'm just still like messing around with the stuff. So you have to bear with me. Yeah. Cause you know, I'm getting there. I'm not a pro, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So if you guys out there watching this and you know how to edit better than edit better than me, then by all means, drop me a message down below. Let's talk it out because yeah, I need help, but it's coming along. I'm messing with it, but it's coming along, but it will get better. It will get better soon. What else? I already told you guys that I'm gonna start filming off my camera. Right now I'm doing it off my phone. And yeah, it's gonna get better. That's a fact. But without further ado, I shall let you guys go and enjoy your beautiful day. Have fun. Have fun. Be safe. Have fun. Also, guys, if you like this video, please thumbs it up all the way up, as well as what? Sharing is caring. Share this video, like this video, hit that bell to be notified when I upload another video. And until then, guys and gals, peace, love, and